Made it to the lake, our first day. Well, second day, I guess, technically, because we got here later. So, yeah, here we are. Carl's doing the same thing I'm doing. It looks like we're gonna have a little bit of rain, but it's been super peaceful. It's not too late in the day yet. The dogs, as typical with our vacations, are driving us insane. There's lots of places where they could try to get into the lake, but it's more of a drop off versus a smooth get in. And the one place where it is a freaking swamp. And yesterday Marvel had no problem going out in the middle of it, and all I could think of is, oh my gosh, she's gonna get bit by a snake and blah 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 blah. So it kind of tends to be my theme this whole time. And then we saw a snake this morning already. I miss the city, but I love this view, and the water is delightful. But we'll keep you posted, see what we do coming up. Last night we just played some games, ate, had some birthday cake, that type of stuff. I don't really know what's on the agenda today, but we'll see. Clark. It's our last full day here at the lake house, and I am beat like no other. I just kind of want to veg out, and kind of am doing that as much as one can with the pups, but we've all really enjoyed ourselves. Last night we got to look up at the stars, and out here we could really see them so clear, and the faintest hint of being able to see the Milky Way, like the gray, cloudy smokeness appearance around it. Obviously, I don't have a good enough camera to film that. That would have been really cool, but it was, very spiritual. It really grounds you and connects you to the universe and reminds you just how small you are in comparison to this vastness that's out there. But yeah, played some games thus far. I'm currently in the this one particular room, which is the, why can't I think of the name, mini ping pong table. You can tell I'm tired. All right.